Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are taking care of yourselves and your loved one, your relative and everybody, including your neighbors. Today it's all about unboxing again. And today it's about something that I really wanted before, and it's impossible to find my right size. And I hope that this will be the right size, guys, And you know what? Let's do chase to the life. So, what I'm going to unbox today, it's something that any lady would love to add to their collection. So guys, let's start now. I don't want to waste your time. Chase again. I guess you are going to see where I buy most of my shoes. Okay, let me put them. So we have this out. So now let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is my addition, guys. Made in Italy. CaSaDeI. This is my addition. Yes. So let's do an unboxing. Let me put aside. Okay. Then now. Okay. So you have all this. Now let's see. Okay. Yes, this you can have a look. Then you can have a look. So this is my addition to my collection. Something different, something closed, Closed heels. Just check out the heels. You can check out, guys. So this is my collection, my addition. And now let me just say, confessing time. I told myself that I'm not going to buy anything in the month of March concerning shoes. But then, I had so much stress, and then I ended up buying shoes. So this is the second pair I've bought in a month of March, and 3 pairs already in this year. And more confessing, I bought already another pair of shoes, and hope it's going to be too small, not to fit me, because if it's going to fit me, then I'm going to take it. That's the thing, guys. So hope you enjoyed my unboxing, guys, and hope you're going to enjoy more of my videos. And I have to do something also different. I wanted to show you how we do the traveling, going out to drink and so on. But we are here, we can't go anywhere except hiking or going to walk a little bit outside. That's a thing. So at the moment, enjoy these shoes, guys. Okay. And take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends, and then I'll start giving away some of my clothes. Yes, I have some of my clothes. I don't want to wear them anymore. Size small and medium, and sometimes medium is small size. And then about my clothes, I have small bust here, so it's for small people. That's a thing. So guys, bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.